Your first question is, which is the largest country in the world by area? A. China. B. America. C. Russia. D. Canada. The correct answer is Russia. Your second question is, in which city is the Eiffel Tower located? A. London. B. Paris. C. Rome. D. Berlin. The correct answer is Paris. Your third question is, which is considered the longest river in the world? A. Amazon. B. Nile. C. Yangtze. D. Mississippi. The correct answer is Nile. Your fourth question is, in which country is the Great Wall located? A. Japan. B. Mongolia. C. China. D. Korea. The correct answer is China. Your fifth question is, in which country is the Statue of Liberty located? A. Canada. B. America. C. France. D. Brazil. The correct answer is America. Your sixth question is, which is the largest ocean in the world? A. Atlantic. B. Indian Ocean. C. Arctic. D. Pacific Ocean. The correct answer is Pacific Ocean. Your seventh question is, which country is famous for pyramid? A. Iraq. B. Egypt. C. Turkey. D. Greece. The correct answer is Egypt. Your eighth question is, Mount Everest is located on the border of which two countries? A. India, China. B. Nepal, China. C. Nepal, India. D. Bhutan, China. The correct answer is Nepal, China. Your ninth question is, which is the smallest country in the world? A. Monaco. B. Malta. C. Vatican City. D. San Marino. The correct answer is Vatican City. Your 10th question is, in which country is the Amazon rainforest mainly located? A. Argentina. B. Peru. C. Brazil. D. Chile. The correct answer is Brazil.